It is really a great honor for me this morning to join you all for this critical 2-day stakeholders consultation workshop.
In prioritization, we prioritize crashing maternal and neonatal death, so that those are the low-hanging fruits that we want to address first, so that we'll get things right. And this particular intervention, the 10 Million Safer Birth Initiative, fits in directly helping us to achieve that.
We want to see a world where no mother, no child dies of preventable illnesses.
10 Million Safer Births is a partnership. UNFPA and Maternity Foundation bring together and provide proven methods and digital tools that improve maternal health and newborn health. And working closely with governments and local authorities, these approaches are adapted to national contexts. For example, the Maternity Foundation Safe Delivery app is currently in use in nearly 15 countries.
And Nigeria deserves a healthy nation, and it's women, healthy women, that make sure that that happens. And that is what this initiative is all about. We do actually focus mainly on midwives or nurses that do midwifery work. And midwives too have a very, very special role. The research shows that if a midwife is capacitated to do her work well, if she works in an enabling environment, she's able to do up to 90% of the work to make sure that a woman gives birth well. The other 10% will of course be taken care of by our able obstetricians, and it's that partnership that makes that the system works well, together with all of you.
So this is a very important gathering where all stakeholders are coming together to decide how we are going to move ahead with this initiative. And we have a lot of hope for the outcome of this to put us on the right path.
I think the initiative has a lot of potential because it solves a real problem. Health workers need to be trained regularly, and trainings are also updated regularly. So we're looking at a solution that allows health workers to be trained on what are the best practices for maternal health, and also allow them to learn at their own pace and obviously improve the quality of services that the mothers receive.
And we will be doing the CPD integration. We'll also be doing the SDA adaptation and training of trainers and cascading of the training. All this, we hope to get to many midwives and nurses within Nigeria for them to be able to actually improve on their skills so that they can offer quality care.